I'm the Walking Traveler and I'm super excited that you're here with me today, and I have my Fast 5 traveling tips helping to make your travel experience fun, fulfilling, and not frightening. So today we are going to talk about how to have a balanced vacation or how to have a balanced travel experience when you were traveling with someone else. So the very first tip I want to give you is to really talk to this person and really communicate and see how they like to vacation, how they like to travel. So for me and my husband, I'll give the example with us. For me, I like really nice accommodations. I like accommodations that have spa facilities. I like room service. I feel like if I'm on vacation that I kind of want to do nothing. I don't want to cook. I don't want to clean. I don't want to do any of that. While my husband, on the other hand, he is more of a budget accommodations type of guy. He's okay with the budget hotels, the budget places to stay. And for me, I kind of feel like if I'm not staying in a place that's nicer than my house, I can just stay at home at my house and save money. So we've come really to the middle, and what we do is we'll make sure that we get like a condo that has the facilities such as a pool, a steam room, or a gym. Or when we get a hotel, we'll make sure that we check off pool, steam room, and gym. For him, it's really about the pool. He really loves the pool. For me, I could care less whether it has a pool or not. But for me, it's that spa experience, that sauna, that steam room. That's really, really big things for me. So make sure that you are meeting in the middle when it comes to travel expectations.